A hawk grooming signifies a period of introspection, preparation, and spiritual refinement, urging you to clear away mental or emotional clutter to sharpen your vision and focus. This behavior symbolizes taking care of your inner self and clearing your spiritual feathers to gain a higher perspective, prepare for a new clear-sighted phase, and maintain personal power. This action indicates you are preparing for a significant life change, task, or to receive a message from the spirit world. It suggests sharpening your focus to see through illusions or confusion, allowing for a clearer, broader perspective on your life. It is a call to remove negative thoughts, old habits, or emotional burdens that hinder your personal growth. The act reflects taking responsibility for your own energy, maintaining your shield, inner strength, and ensuring you are ready to act with precision. If you see a hawk grooming, it is a reminder to pay attention to details, stay observant, and trust your intuition to guide you out of a difficult situation. It suggests that taking time for solitude and self-reflection will lead to renewed strength and a better understanding of your purpose. In essence, a grooming hawk is a powerful focus omen, urging you to cultivate self-awareness and maintain your mental, emotional, and spiritual readiness.